Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust Digit savings based on income changes. Now, if your income fluctuates, then Digit lets you easily adjust your savings so that you're always saving the right amount without risking overdraft or financial stress. First, open the Digit app and navigate to your savings settings. Look for the option that lets Digit analyze your income and spending patterns. Here you can toggle on the feature that automatically adjusts savings based on income changes. If you prefer manual control, you can also set thresholds or limits for savings. For example, you can specify a minimum balance that you want to keep in your checking account before Digit saves money. When your income decreases, Digit will save more, and if it decreases, Digit will reduce your savings, accordingly to match. Make sure to regularly review your income patterns in the app, especially if you have irregular paydays or seasonal work, so the Digit adjustments is going to stay accurate. This way you can maintain flexible and smart savings that match your financial situation. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick Digit tips, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Catch you guys in the next one.